Quick heads up, click the link in the description to grab a special offer before you forget. So, Lemonade versus Hippo, which home insurance is best for techies? Let's break it down like a benchmark test. Lemonade is famous for its app-first experience and AI claims. Think chatbot quotes in minutes and simple coverage sliders. Some small claims can get approved fast. Great when you just want it done. Hippo's experience is modern, but their secret sauce is proactive support. They often ship smart sensors, offer home checkups, and aim to prevent claims before they happen. Smart home perks, smart locks, leak sensors, thermostats, Hippo discounts, and optional kits, Lemonade standard device discounts. Both can cover your gear. Read limits apply. High-value electronics may need scheduled coverage. Hippo, elevated electronics coverage and equipment breakdown add-ons. Lemonade, easy extra coverage for cameras, laptops, and jewelry in-app. Add-ons to watch, water backup and equipment breakdown. Cyber or identity coverage. Service line coverage, buried pipes, cables. Claims vibe. Lemonade, quick digital flow. Hippo, 24/7 claims, plus concierge, sends help, uses data to speed things up. Price, depends on location, home details, and device discounts. I've seen both win on price. Real differentiator, pure app speed, Lemonade, versus proactive smart home prevention and hands-on help, Hippo. Availability and bundling, check your state. Lemonade, renters. Lemonade, pet lemonade, car lemonade, life. Hippo, homeowners focus plus partners for other lines. Who should pick what? Lemonade, clean app, fast setup, easy add-ons for gadgets or cameras. Pick Hippo if your house is loaded with sensors, you want discounts for connected devices, and you like the idea of prevent first insurance. Bottom line, both solid for tech-minded homeowners. Get quotes from both. Toggle deductibles. Add the smart home gear you actually own. Compare final numbers plus coverages. Hit the link for the discount.